So first, what I'm going to cover here is square roots. Okay. So here in this chat, okay, it's recording, good. So in this piece, in section P6, which is what we're in now, we're going to look at what a square root is. Okay, you probably have seen it before. If you haven't, that's okay. We're also going to see how to simplify a square root. You know, there's something I think you should be able to do, how to simplify a square root. And something else that comes up that I think is really good for you to be able to do is rationalizing the denominator of a fraction. Rationalizing the denominator of a fraction. The book does that. Again, the book does a lot more. They look at other roots and they look at rationalizing the numerator, but I'm only doing this for time consideration. Okay, so the first thing you might be wondering, if you haven't seen this, is what is a square root? Well, a square root, by definition, is this. We say that the number b, if you have two numbers, a and b, b, by definition, is a square root of a if b squared equals a. So it's a square root if b squared equals a. Okay, so with anything in math, it's good to see some examples. Well, 3, for instance, is a square root of 9, right? And why is that? Well, 3 squared is 9, just direct calculation. Now, are there any other square roots? Well, yeah, there are, right? That is there another number that we can square, raise it to the second power? Is there another number we could square to get 9? Well, yeah. Really, by our sap and sun rules, -3. So notice that 9 here has 2 square roots, 3 and -3. Same thing with 25, right? Namely, 25 has a square root. 5 is a square root. Oh, sorry. 5 is a square root of 25. And so is -5, right? You square either one, you're going to get 25. So we have 2 square roots here. Okay. Now, what if I ask you for the square root? And I know you probably have heard before, what is the square root of something? I mean, if you haven't heard of that, that's okay. But that's what the next slide is. And we'll probably, oh, wait a minute, did I skip a slide? I think I did. Well, we'll stop here anyway. We're almost out of time. So I got to fix these notes. I guess I must have deleted something by mistake. Oh, there we go. So that's why. Well, I'll fix that next time. So anyway,